Hello guys and welcome back to DJ CJ 2024. Today we will be reviewing the JBL Flip 6, the speaker, and we will be doing the sound test on this and the specifications on this today. It's got like passive bass radiators here. It's got bass reflex and about 30 watts RMS of sound, 30 watts real music sound. If you don't know what RMS means, it's real music sound. It supports SBC and AAC Bluetooth codec. It's IP67 dust and water resistant, and it's got party boost mode on it as well. And we'll be going through the sound test in a short while. So that was the sound test for the JBL Flip 6. It supports AAC and SBC support on Bluetooth codec. It's got roughly about 12 hours of battery playtime, and it takes roughly about 2 to 3 hours to charge. It's got bass reflex on here. It's got some buttons here for like here is your party boost button, party off. Got your volume buttons here, plus and minus, and then you got the play and pause. Sadly, there isn't any calls support on this. There's no built-in mic compared to what you would get from the Bose SoundLink Flex or the UE Mega Boom, but we'll do a sound comparison to all of them soon, and of course soon there will be a Beats Pill sound test coming out soon, so please stay tuned and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. And yeah, like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for new videos coming out. And I apologize for not uploading on Thursday last week because I got caught up with busy. I was caught up with homework and stuff like that, so, and school. So yeah, anyways, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.